You see Daddy's TV?
Yep. And look, they're all singing. That was fun.
What was that? That was J-Lo and Alex Rodriguez.
It's got dimmer.
He kissed her with a mask on. So everybody on the island's having fireworks, huh?
Yep, except for Tasha, Judy, and Lolly. They're not celebrating. Look, there's party poppers. There's some party poppers.